In this video I'm going to answer the question if people can see if I viewed their profile on TikTok. To answer on that question you need to know that TikTok recently released a new update, and if your application get the latest version you will able to see that icon just next to your username, and if tap on that icon here you can turn on the profile view history. So I tap on turn on and now I'm able to see people who viewed my profile, and that works in the other direction. If another person enabled that option, I'm able to get that person if it here on profile views if that person viewed my profile. So another person can see if you viewed their profile if you get that option enabled, and can know if you viewed their profile if this option is disabled for you. To disable that option, tap here on gear icon and toggle that option off. And also make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel.